once the child has had experience manipulating all of the solids and is beginning to learn the names of the solids, you're going to bring out some of the bases to show them that the geometric solids, geometric solids have a base or a base. Point to that. Show that it matches. So on. I'm going to go a little bit faster now just so I can show you that at some point you'll notice that some of them have more than one base. And so it could either go in this row or they could go in this row. And that's a fun experience, that's a fun exploratory thing for children to notice. Oh, it goes in this one or this one. After they've found after they found the bases, we're going to get to the solids that are the sphere, the ellipsoid, and the ovoid, and you're going to feel it. You say, the sphere does not have a base. Does not have a base. The ellipsoid does not have a base. What about the ovoid? No base. And they might say, well, this is the base, yes. But is that a part of the geometric solid? No. And so that would be, they might mention that, or they might say the sphere has a circle base. Does it have a circle base? Let's try it. Nope, it doesn't stay on there. It does not have a base. It does not have a base. Base and face mean the same thing. You can give them that vocabulary. Okay? Sometimes you'll see a box of bases, and there's one for each. There'll be multiple squares, multiple rectangles, and triangles and circles. I prefer that it be one of each, because I think it makes it more clear for when you're sorting. Because then at this point they might notice, hey, wait, this has a triangle too, and then they might turn it. When there are lots of them, I think it makes it a little more obvious that there are multiple bases. Any questions?
What if a child asks during the presentation, what makes this as a cylindrical figure, or what makes this as a sphere? So what could be the
shape of it is what makes it a sphere. Its shape is what gives it its name. This is a cylinder because of its shape. It has two circles as a base, and it's rounded. It rolls. That's what makes it a cylinder. Does that give you an answer?
Well, I guess it does. Like, I mean,
I don't know that the child's going to ask that. I think that's an adult question. I think the child's going to say, you're just going to name it. You're going to say this is a cylinder, and they're going to believe you. They may say it's a can, and you say, yes, it's the same shape as a can. We call it a cylinder. Always go back to the name. They may tell you what it looks like. You know, oh yeah, this looks like an ice cream cone. Yes, it is the same shape as the cone that you might have ice cream from. We call it a cone. Its name is cone, however you want to say that. Go back to that. They may say this is a block. Oh, those are blocks. Yes, you're right. You notice they're the same shape as the blocks we have in our block area. We call this a cube. We call this a rectangular prism. Go back to the name. One of the things that I hope you noticed in the presentation with Loretta is anytime I had the opportunity, I used the name of the